Hey guys, it's me, Steve WB, and today we're going to be checking out this portable Palm Turbo air blower. That's right, this is a small compact air blower to replace those pesky cans of canned air that you have to buy and are full of crazy chemicals. And this is something that's rechargeable and reusable, and it's going to help you clean those camera sensors, the outside of your cameras. It's also a mini vacuum, just tons of features and uses. So what we're going to do is first we're going to point the camera down. I'm going to show you everything that you get in this little bit of kit, and then we're going to actually test it out and try it. So let's get to it. All right, so this is the full kit as it's going to come. It all comes in this nice black box right here. You're going to get 6 air filters, and this is what those air filters look like. I'm going to show you what those are for here in a moment. You get a little accessory bag, you get a cleaning cloth, you get a charge cord, USB to USB-C. You're going to have an assortment of different nozzles. We're going to go through what those are used for in just a moment. And then you're going to actually get the device itself, and it does break down into these 2 separate components. It is all aluminum housing. It does have a CNC aluminum fan that spins up to 100,000 RPMs, which is insanity. And to assemble it, you just slide and click. Just that easy. Now another cool feature that they have is on the bottom is a actual flashlight. So you can check for dust, look at those sensors, look into those lenses, make sure everything is nice and clean. You just hold this button down to power it off, and then you will hold this button down and you can see the indicator lights come up, and that shows you that you're ready to go. And the same button that you turn the device on with, you can actually select medium speed, low speed, medium speed, and back to high speed. And of course, to activate the unit, you just push the little button right here on the front. Just like that. So what I'm going to do real quick is I want to show you all these different accessories that you're going to get. And the first is just a generic nozzle, and that's just for blowing things off and cleaning things. And these just pop on the front and twist on. They are made out of a flexible rubber. Here's a second nozzle that you're going to have, and it just basically makes this just a wide open port. Here's another one that's going to give you a little more pressure, a little more blasting power, because it's really shrinking that air down to a fine concentrated stream. And then you have this piece right here that goes on the back, and what you do is you can take these little filters right here, and you can, well, you pop this little piece off right here, and you slide the filter in, and you slide this piece back on. And the reason why you have a filter is because you don't want to be blasting unfiltered air onto the sensor of a full frame camera or any camera, because you don't want to shoot dust out at a high speed and cause scratches. You don't want to scratch your lenses and stuff either. But this can also be added on because you can use this as a vacuum as well. So if you want to use it as a vacuum, you install this piece right here, just like so. And then you could take, say, this nozzle and you put it on, and now the air is going to blow out the back, and it's actually going to act like a vacuum. How cool is that? So we're going to go ahead and pop this all back off. Tell you what, we're going to actually leave the air filter on, and you can see that just from that little bit. I don't know if it'll focus on that. You can see there is some lint and stuff from the towel that the air filter did capture. We're going to put this on, and now we're ready to do some cleaning and some blasting. Let me go ahead and get my camera. Okay, so when you're getting ready to clean your camera, when you're going to do, say, the exterior, I don't know if you can see, but I have a ton of dust around the buttons and switches and on the sides. This has been sitting on a tripod for a while, so let's do a cleaning. And you just take this one here with the built-in brush, and you can brush it and blast it at the same time, and just clean your device like so. And it's going to get all the dirt and dust out of those little nooks and crannies. Now when it comes time to do your sensor, I'm not going to use a brush. I'm just going to click on this little concentrator right here. And we will pop this lens off. Now, my sensor is actually really clean, but you would just gently blow your camera out just like that. Very, very cool. Now this little blower can of course be used for multiple devices. Even with this little concentrator tip on it, you can inflate things like rafts for the pool, beach balls, floaties for the kids, all kinds of different things. I've actually used one of these as like a leaf blower to clear my sidewalk one time, which was kind of crazy. But you can clean your electronics, you can clean your keyboards, you can clean your laptops, you can open them up and blast all that dust and debris out of there to keep everything running cool and keep everything nice and clean. Overall, it's very well constructed. It is an all aluminum housing. It's not cheap plastic like a lot of those other ones are. It has the well balanced CNC fan on the inside to give it extra power and reliability. And overall, it's a nice little electronics cleaner. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.